You should know that every bird in the sky, they're actually jobs, but wonder what should I do? Every moment that you're spending outside, they're out there observing, recording your entire life. That's why I throw rocks at birds. The other day I was walking around and I saw a bird fly straight into the ground. Though I have to say the whole thing was strange, I'm all too in for it, must have gone out of range. That's why I throw rocks at birds. 2.4 scary gigahertz. That's why I throw rocks at birds. The first modern drone was made in the UK, but now they're all around us. You can't run, you can't hide, because there's no escape. That's why I throw rocks at birds. Trying to break their receivers, receiving waves from transmitters. It's kind of in the name.